Hello and welcome to the Vector Garden YouTube channel. In this video we're going to apply a stained glass effect to this object. It's a rectangle and basically it has a fat stroke and no fill. So we want to have the stained glass effect applied to that stroke. Now let's just do it. I'm going to Effect, and then let's go to Texture, and there is stained glass. And here we go. Let's have a larger cell size and a larger border thickness. And OK. And you see clearly this does not work. So those tiles get cut off and we have the white and we also have the black lines. And actually the gray should show through, and we just want to have those red tiles and nothing else, no white and no black. And clearly we cannot just apply that effect to that object. So what can we do instead? Let's first get rid of this. So we're going to the Appearance panel, and let's just get rid of that effect. What we need to do now is make some kind of workaround. So let's first make a copy of this. I'm just going to edit copy, and then let's just make this thicker. And then let's go to edit and paste in front. And this one is going to be white. So that was the original one. And now we're going to use the effect and we're going to rasterize this. And let's have a transparent background and also have this add around the object. We need that. And let's go to, well, let's make this slightly higher resolution, and then let's go to OK. And now we're going to apply that stained glass to it. So let's make again the cell size larger and the border thickness. Let's increase that as well, and larger cell size, and let's go to OK. Let's take a look at this, and in order to now get what we want, we're going to select these two, and let's go to the transparency panel and make a mask like this. And you see, there we have our stained glass effect, and it's transparent. You see, we have this rasterized, pixelized look, and if you don't want to have that, you need to increase the resolution of that first rasterized effect.